Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're actually looking for a string trimmer that I saw online that they had in stock. They had one only, according to what they said. So we're trying to get that deal. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. And if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more tool reviews, feel free to subscribe and hit the like, hit the bell icon for more notifications. Yeah, the item that we want to get is the string edge trimmer, the free item that comes with the batteries. So as you guys see, this Ryobi stand is pretty empty. They only got the tools that nobody wants, basically. All the tools that are the better deals are already gone, the Ryobi ones. We got a lot of Milwaukee left, so still a lot of Milwaukee left on this store. Not all the stores are like this. Some stores are running out of the Milwaukee batteries, which is a great deal, $2.99, and the $1.99 battery deal is a great deal. Plus you're getting the free tool, and you're getting, you know, pretty much two big batteries there and a charger. These are the ones that I wanted. I said I was going to come back and get them. I never came back and get them. I just left the store as soon as I found what I needed. I just left the store. But yeah, these are a great deal. They're the titanium, Milwaukee titanium bits for $29.99. And then you got the DeWalt section here, which is a good deal for $9.97. Any of those two would work for a budget there. And then you got the fan, which is $79, which is a good deal. And then that's another okay deal there. Not the best deal, but some of them are brushless, some of them are brush tools, so they mix them up together. But yeah, our main goal here is to try and get that string trimmer or edge trimmer. As you guys see there, it's the $99 edge trimmer, and then they do have all these tools, but all the best ones that they were running out. So my hunt is, I just came into this section here and just try and find any tool that I could get with this deal. I was actually looking for a ratchet. You know how Ryobi has a new ratchet out. There's a lot of rumors out there that people are already getting this deal with the ratchet. So if you have a Home Depot near you, go to the section and go look for the new ratchet that came out. And if you can find it, go and get those two batteries in the ratchet, and then check out the batteries first and try it, and then the tool after, and then you're gonna get that discount. Hopefully you're gonna get that discount. I know there's a lot of guys out there already doing this, and they already got the new ratchet that just barely came out. They're getting it on the free battery deal. So if you guys want to do that, go ahead. If you guys want, and also they did have the rapid charger, the 6-port charger on this store. I was just tempted to get that if I didn't find the deal. But yeah, fortunately, I got to the garden section. We did find the deal here. We did find the tool that we wanted. So basically, there's two different ones here, or actually 3 different ones. There's a 40 volt, and there's an 18 volt, and then there's an 18 volt tool only. The one that we needed for this in order for us to get this deal was the 18 volt edge trimmer tool only, as it says right there on the top, big old gray letters. I mean, a big old gray section right there with black letters. It says tool only. We went to several different stores and we couldn't find this tool only deal here, but I ended up picking up this one because the other one was broken. As soon as I saw this one that was sealed, and I just picked it up. But yeah, it was hiding at the bottom, as you guys see. If you guys want to get the tool, the charger, and the battery, it's $129. But if you guys get the deal with the 2 batteries, it's $99, and plus you're getting 2 batteries and a charger and a bag. So it's a lot. It's $30 cheaper, plus you're getting another battery for free. And it's bigger batteries, by the way. And that's just a smoking deal. $129 with the battery and a charger, compared to $99 with 2 batteries and a charger. Bigger batteries. But yeah, as you can see, that's a really nice tool. Can't wait to get my hands on it. Stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell, so you can get the notifications for that video. We're going to be doing a tool review on this tool, and hopefully we're going to be trimming some trees, and see how this tool works. But yeah, this is like the third or fourth store. I, yeah, third or fourth store that I come and try to find this deal. You see pretty much any other tool, but this tool is like the most expensive. And there, what I did is I just left the tool right there at the door, and ran out and pick up a cart because it's not really heavy, but it's just a big box, too big carrying around. And plus, I wanted to get I have to carry the camera or the phone. I have to carry the phone plus the cart, and I mean the tool, and then the other tool. So it was gonna become a hassle. That's why I just got a cart. And those are the batteries you guys could get to get that deal. So you gotta scan the batteries first, and then scan the tool, and that's how it says right there. I just verified. Make sure I got the right tool. So I did look at the item number that they had there, and then compared it with the box and the item number on the box, and it matched. So that was our tool. That was the tool that we needed to get this deal. So basically, we just that's the checkout. So $49.50. That is the total, $99. That's before tax. After tax, obviously, it's gonna go up. But yeah, we did get this deal, fortunately, and we did find it. So we're gonna expect the tool review, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing of those batteries. So like I said, be sure to subscribe, help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.